Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the system, language and input, languages, add a language. And here you can change your language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select one of these. Maybe Ukrainian. And then what you have to do is just to drag Ukrainian on top. And after that, system language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the Система, Мова та ведення, Мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.